To buy this product from Amazon, click on the link in description.
Introducing the Barista Express by Breville BS870XE. This compact coffee machine is everything you need for barista quality coffee in your own home. Breville kitchen appliances are designed to inspire people to produce perfect food and beverage results in their own homes with ease. From espresso machines to food processors, the innovation in each appliance delights. Breville makes the process a pleasure and the end result perfect every time. With the Barista Express, you can create great tasting espresso in less than a minute. The machine allows you to grind the beans right before extraction, ensuring the freshest cup of coffee possible. Its interchangeable filters and choice of automatic or manual operation ensure authentic café style results in no time at all. But what makes the Barista Express truly special is its ability to create third-wave specialty coffee at home. Let's take a look at the 4 keys formula for third-wave specialty coffee. Key number 1: rich, full flavor. The Barista Express uses the right dose of 1922 g of freshly ground beans to create a full-bodied coffee with rich and complex flavors. Key number 2: perfectly balanced taste. Digital temperature control technology precisely controls water temperature for a perfectly balanced coffee extraction. Key number 3: irresistible body. Low pressure pre-infusion and a 15-bar Italian pump ensure a rich, sweet, and viscous espresso. And finally, key number 4: silky, velvety mouthfeel. The Steam 1 performance allows you to hand texture microfoam milk that enhances flavor and enables the creation of latte art. In addition to these features, the Barista Express also boasts dose control grinding, an integrated conical burr grinder that grinds on demand to deliver the right amount of freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter for your preferred taste with any roast of bean. The grind size dial is simple and intuitive, giving you control over the grind size no matter what type of bean you're grinding. And last but not least, the machine's precise espresso extraction is achieved through digital temperature control, delivering water at precisely the right temperature for optimal espresso extraction. With all of these features and more, the Barista Express by Breville is the perfect machine for anyone who wants to enjoy barista quality coffee in the comfort of their own home. Get yours today and experience the joy of third-wave specialty coffee at home.